Good morning, children. Welcome back once again for English literature class. Let us take worksheet number 5, Raju and the elephants. So, my dear students, yesterday we have studied up to paragraph 2. Now, let us take third paragraph, page number 36. Page number 36, Raju and the elephants. So, we are studying this particular story. Let us read the first paragraph. He realized the camp had been surrounded by a herd of elephants. So, yesterday I had already given, I have given this meaning, herd, a group of elephants. So, all this group of elephants have surrounded the kitchen. So, already they have surrounded the kitchen, and then they want something, they want food from the cook. Surrounded, they are around the place, surrounded. All the elephants are around the kitchen, around the kitchen. Next slide. One by one, the people in the camp were woken up by the sounds of trumpeting. Trumpet sound is made by elephant. So trumpeting is sound of elephant. Trumpet. Trumpet is sound made by elephant. Sound made by elephants. In other words, we can say it is cry of elephants. Next line you see. They started shouting, trying to shoo the animals away. Chase them out. Shoo them out. Chase them away from there. There means where? From the kitchen area. So they wanted to chase all these animals from there. Raju knew the camp had a barbed wire fence around it. Barbed wire fence means it is like thorny wire, we can say thorny wire. The wire, if you have gone to army areas and so on, you could have or you might have seen the barbed wire. It is barbed wire. It is, in other words, we have a thorny wire. Thorny wire. Where there are lots of thrones, so that anything will not cross. So the kitchen was surrounded by a barbed wire fence. It is some boundary. Okay. Next line is, he was quick in understanding that the elephants didn't come here to scare them. To make them fear. They did not come there to make them fear. Rather, they were asking something. They were asking food. They wanted something. So they wanted something here means food. So they wanted food. Next paragraph. He went to the door and opened it. So the cook went to the door and opened. The main gate to the camp was wide open. So the main gate was wide open. It was fully wide open. Fully open. It was fully open. So what happened now? He could also hear the painful cries and snorts of an elephant calf nearby. So he could hear the sound, the painful sound made by the calf, and after hearing, they have to go and save those or that particular calf from danger. Now, next line you see. He told the campmates not to panic, again, not to fear. Not to get fear. The food kept the jumbos busy. Jumbos here means again elephant. Jumbos elephants. Next line. Meanwhile, Raju signaled two engineers who picked up a few tools for cutting wires. So this elephant calf, this is baby elephant. Baby elephant was already in the barbed wire. So they went to save this baby elephant. Next line. Meanwhile, Raju signaled, we called them. Calling them, he gave indication. Giving indication, calling them, come here. We want to save this particular baby elephant. So, like that, he might have given signal. Next slide. Raju signaled two engineers who picked up a few tools for cutting wire. So, unless and until they cut the wire, the baby elephant will not be able to come out from there. So, they are there to help the baby elephant. Now, next slide you see. Children, Raju led them to the calf. The calf had got stuck in the barbed wire fence when it, next page, it strayed from the herd. Strayed, went away, strayed. It was left alone or it lost its way. So it is destroyed. It went away from their parents. In other words, it lost way, or he was left behind. So these things had happened to this particular baby elephant. Next line. Together they cut the wire and freed the calf. They freed the calf. Now the calf is free. Now it can move freely. Next line. Thankfully, the calf only had minor cuts on its foot. Minor cut, small cut, minor cut, small cut. Not very big wound it had. It had a small cut on the legs and so on. Next line. Together with the calf, the herd left the camp peacefully. So what happened? This calf was already there, entangled in the barbed wire. So together, after this baby calf was free, together they moved away from there. Everyone praised Raju for his quick thinking, his fast thinking. Raju thought very well. So Raju was praised for his quick thinking. So my dear children, sometimes we have to think very quickly. If anyone is in problem and difficulties, we have to save them. We have to save their lives. So we have to immediately call the elders. See, when anything happens in the family, immediately we have to give information to the elders, so that the people or the person is saved from danger. So, my dear children, we will continue again in the next class. I end here my class. Thank you very much to everyone.